From flash floods sweeping away everything in their path to lightning splitting the sky, nature never fails to remind us that its power goes beyond what we can imagine. Are you ready to face Mother Nature's fury in today's Wow Earth video? Let's dive right in. Stay away from the tangled tree roots when the storm strikes, as the following scenario could unfold. Calmness and the ability to assess the situation are crucial, just like how the cargo handler managed to escape at the last second. A severe snowstorm attacked Keflavik, Iceland on February 11th, with wind gusts reaching over 100 kilometers per hour.
Il y a plutôt des avalanches. Oh putain, c'est beau. Ben voilà. Alors, énorme. Énorme.
The snow depth in Hujong was 53 centimeters, Aihui 47 centimeters, and Taihei 49 centimeters, all surpassing the previous snow depth records. Incredible footage captured the moment a dam in Michigan collapsed last week. The floodwaters drained an entire lake, leaving thousands of residents facing severe consequences.
There it goes. There it goes.
This event raises questions about the deterioration of dam infrastructure in the United States. Deborah Bruegel had an unforgettable experience in the pool at her Ridgecrest home when a sudden 7.1 magnitude earthquake struck. Luckily, she safely escaped the dangerous situation as soon as the shaking began. It seemed like just another regular working day at a company in Izmir, Turkey. But the ground suddenly shook in an unexpected way. Security cameras captured the scene of employees rushing around the office, with some seeking shelter under desks as the infrastructure moved. This was the third major earthquake to impact Turkey in 2020. In Texas and Florida, heat waves have contributed to the formation of tornadoes. On June 25, 2023, in Indiana and Arkansas, the tornado that accompanied the thunderstorms left dozens of homes damaged. A massive blaze and a fire tornado were captured during the Chaparral Fire in Meridia, California. At the time of filming, the fire had spread to 450 acres. The Chaparral Fire ignited on August 28, 2021, near Cleveland Forest Road and Teneja Road, southwest of Meridia in San Diego County. Emergency evacuation orders were issued to ensure the safety of residents in nearby areas.
This bridge is gonna climb. Holy shit, I missed it by a half second.
According to reports, the river, with a flow rate of 51,000 cubic feet per second, was the main cause of the Cabrera Bridge collapse.
Oh my god! Oh my god, look at the leaves!
On May 12th, storm chasers observed a gigantic dust storm in South Dakota. With wind gusts exceeding 100 miles per hour, the storm caused extensive damage across the region.
Here comes the dust.
Yep.
It's about to get crazy, boys.
That's what happened in Wayanad, a district in northeastern Kerala, India. A 70-year-old public well, affectionately called Muthasi Kinar, grandmother's well by locals, suddenly sank into the ground. In just over a minute, a symbol of the community for generations completely vanished. Relentless rain was the culprit behind the landslides and well collapse. This event raises the question, what can humans do to prevent such unexpected natural disasters? Let us know in the comment section below. A freaking landslide in the Paternaki area has completely blocked road traffic to the Patter subdivision. The telecommunications system and power supply were also impacted by the incident. A subtropical storm, with winds reaching 100 kilometers per hour, slammed into the coast of Uruguay. It disrupted transportation and caused power outage in over 23,000 homes in Maldonado. In Punta del Este, winds of 98 kilometers per hour forced schools to temporarily close for safety reasons. Thanks to swift responses, Punta del Este and Maldonado's locals were kept safe, and many main roads were quickly repaired to restore traffic after the storm. Under the impact of Cyclone Fingal, 500 millimeters of rain fell continuously for several hours, causing flooding in Krishnagiri, India on December 2nd.